how to use keyframes in CapCut PC. So all you have to do is to go here and import your video. Okay, now let me just delete that one. So you're gonna do is you're gonna choose the video that you wanna add keyframes with. So this is the video. So all you have to do first is to of course find a specific part in the video where you want to start the video from zooming in or scaling out or zooming out. It really depends on you. So here under if you click on the video, these options will come out. Make sure it is now on video, basic, and here you will see scale. Now it really depends on you. For me, I want to start with this size here, and then you can now start adding keyframe here. On the right side, you will see this diamond. Click on that till it will now go blue, and here you will see that there is a keyframe added here. Now, let's say you want to zoom in. So choose the part of the video where you want to zoom it in. So this part, let's say you want to add your zoom in here. So if you're done setting the part here or this line here, go back here to scaling, and of course scale in here till you're satisfied, and you can even move it here, really depends on you. And then let's just move it here, and then set it here, add keyframe. It will automatically add keyframe here. As you can see, if you go back here to video, there's a diamond again here. Now let's say you want to zoom back out again. So you may want to scale here and tap on zoom out, and then go back here. And then here, if you're done setting up, it does look like that. Now if you go back here to the video, as you can see, it will automatically zoom in and then automatically zoom out. And basically that is it. And that is how you add keyframes in CapCut PC, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.